What's up with YouTube, back with another vlog, man? Y'all know what's going on. Today gonna be a little different type of vlog, you feel me? We gonna get the Raptor 700 clean. As y'all can see, it's dirty. Yeah, it's dirty. But you know, my boy One Walla finna, you know what I'm saying, get me right. You know what's going on. And we finna do an oil change on the junk. So y'all stay tuned to that if y'all don't know how to do an oil change on the Raptor 700. But shit, besides that, stay tuned to the video. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? And turn on post notification. We going up all 2023. And yeah, man, just stay tuned. And for the ones, one more thing. For the ones like, why you ain't cleaning? Why you ain't trying to? Man, this my first Raptor 700. Yes, I could have cleaned it, but he got a pressure wash and I don't. And he know how to change oil and I don't, so I'm finna learn just like y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. You feel me? My boy One Wallow, aka One. This is now I just call him One Wallow. You feel me? He found the right boat. He trying to find the right boat to take my little. I guess the first thing you gotta do is take the what you gotta take off? This little guard.
But you ain't gotta take it off, but oil gonna drip right here.
Well, exactly. You ain't gotta take it off, but it's best to take it off so you won't have to. So you won't have oil just sitting up there.
Yeah, but drip right here.
And it gonna be, yeah, cause this the oil filter, right?
Yep.
And yeah, when you take my bad, when you take the oil filter out, it gonna run down. It's gonna be up on there. But yeah. But right now he just taking it off, like I said. For those that watching and trying to change their own oil, I advise y'all to take the little black thing off first, the little cover off first, so you won't have oil stuck in there. But you know, we finna do the full clean and everything. But you know, you feel me? I know what's going on. But besides them, let him get this off, and then I record the other parts and stuff that y'all might need them up. Alright, y'all. As you see, he just took the first boat out to let all the oil drain out of there first. You see, I want to do it got some metal in it. But they said it probably be a lot of metal in it when you your first oil change. You don't see nothing?
Oh, you gotta shine your light to it.
Ah, yeah.
You got some napkins.
Well, I'll look at that later though. But yeah, I gotta go in the house and get the napkins. But yeah, he took that little boat out under the oil reservoir, and you just take it out, let all the oil drain out of there, and then you just out of there we're gonna do the motor jump, the oil filter and stuff. Yeah, man, we back. We had a little malfunction. Reservoir right here, this little boat right here on the reservoir, when we tried to screw it back in, it was loose and it came out or whatever. So I didn't put oil in it, or I ain't gonna change it. I'm gonna take it to the shop because I think the wheel broke on it or somehow. I don't know how it happened. I don't know how it happened, but I think it probably just broke off or something. But it ain't no major fix or whatever. It'll be fixed in a couple days or whatever. But besides that, he ain't finna finish the oil change. He just finna give me a little clean, glossy clean or whatever. Y'all can see he already rinsed it out real good. It's Sirski. Damn, man, I hated that the oil thing messed up. Cause I sure gonna get y'all a little ride. New oil, first oil change, new ride. you know, it's alright. Thumbnail looking at. How you heard me, boo? I said thumbnail looking at. Yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. Getting wiped down. Damn, bro. Damn, right. Cut the video down. But yeah, we getting wiped down. Yeah, it's gonna look like a brand new four-wheeler. I might not need to put it in the mud no more. Looking at it. We just gonna make one wallow come over here and spray that motherfucker down. I said we just gonna make one wallow come over here and spray it down again. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully the sun be still like this so y'all can see the final touch, but you know, I still get y'all like a little morning look at it. A little morning, damn, can't get y'all no cold starting that. You know. Yeah, man. Y'all know what's going on. Damn, one, you got soap in my damn motor. I mean, I'm dumb in here. I mean, exhaust. Stupid ass. But yeah. Yeah, man, this the final look. Feel me? Can't really see how glistening that motherfucker look. But y'all see. Brand new thing. Thing looking brand. Y'all can see, man. Y'all see this thing. But yeah, more content coming. Modification coming to this thing. New exhaust pipe. You know what I'm saying? Tune. Intake. But we just having fun with the thing right now, though. But for all the people that watching, appreciate y'all, especially the ones that liking and subscribing. Appreciate y'all, and y'all stay tuned and lock in, man. I ain't finna do too much talking, but I'm gonna get y'all the morning with the evening look of it when it's let it touch the sun, let y'all see how it's shining or whatever. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, and yeah.